So welcome students to my channel once again. In this video I have brought this sum for you all. So look at the sum. In a vessel 3 parts of milk was mixed with 1 part of water. Okay, 3 parts of milk was mixed with 1 part of water. So what fraction of quantity of mixed milk must be replaced by water so that half of the vessel becomes filled with milk and the other half becomes filled with water? Okay, 4 options have been given. Again read the question. In a vessel 3 parts of milk was mixed with 1 part of water. So what fraction of quantity of mixed milk must be replaced by water so that half of the vessel becomes filled with milk and the other half becomes filled with water? Clear? 4 options have been given. We have to find which one is correct. So let's start the solution. Okay. Achha, initially 3 parts of milk. 3 parts of milk initially 3 parts of milk was mixed with 3 parts of milk was mixed with 1 part of water, with 1 part of water, right? Therefore fraction, initially 3 parts of milk was mixed with 1 part of water. Therefore fraction of milk in the mixture contains 3 parts of milk and 1 part of water. That means in total there are 4 parts. Mixture contains 3 parts of milk and 1 part of water. So therefore there were 4 parts, 3 plus 1. Okay. Among that, fraction of milk in the mixture 3 by 3 plus 1. That means 3 by 4 part, right? Fraction of milk in the mixture is 3 by 3 plus 1. That means 3 by 4. Okay. Fraction of water. Fraction of water in the mixture. Fraction of water in the mixture. 1 part. 1 by 1 plus, that means 1 by 4 part. Okay, 3 parts of milk and 1 part of water. That means out of 4 parts there were 3 parts of milk and 1 part of water. That means fraction of water in the mixture is 1 by 4 part, right? So now what do we want to replace a certain fraction, say x part, okay, of the mixed milk or mixture of the mixed milk. You can write mixed milk also, or you can write, as in the question it has been given that what fraction of quantity of mixed milk. So you can write mixed milk also or mixture also, anything. We want to replace a certain fraction, say x part of the mixture. Mixture and mixed milk both are same, by water. We want to replace a certain fraction of the mixture by water so that the vessel ends up with half milk and half water. Okay, see, in the question only it has been said, what fraction of quantity of mixed milk must be replaced by water so that half of the vessel becomes filled with milk, milk means pure milk, and the other half becomes filled with water. Okay, 4 options had been given. Okay, so we want to replace a certain fraction, say x part of the mixture by water, so that the vessel ends up with half milk and half water. Okay, so now when we replace x part of the mixture, when we replace x part of the mixture, the quantities of milk and water change accordingly, right? So after removing x part of the mixture, the remaining milk will be 1 minus x into 3/4 part, right? One minus x into 3/4 part. Okay, and the remaining remaining milk will be 1 minus x into 3/4, and remaining water will be 1 minus x into 1/4 part, right? Three by 4 minus 3x/4, 1/4 minus 1. Okay, so now it has been said that what fraction of quantity of mixed milk must be replaced by water. So now we will replace the removed mixture by the same quantity. We will replace the removed mixture by the same quantity of water. So the total quantity of water becomes 1 minus x into 1/4 plus x. Okay, right? So now to have half milk, and half water, we set the fraction of milk equal to the fraction of water, Therefore, what was the fraction of milk? 1 minus x into 3 by 4. 1 minus x into 3 by 4, this is the quantity of milk present. And water is 1 minus x into 1 by 4 plus x. Okay. Okay. So from here we can write 3 minus 3x by 4 is equal to 1 minus x by 4 plus x. 1 minus 4 by x means how much? 4. 1 minus x plus 4x, that means 1 plus 3x by 4. Here 3 minus 3x by 4, here 1 plus 3x by 4. So 4 will cancel each other. That means 3 minus 3x is equal to 1 plus 3x. Isn't it so? So 3 minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 3x. 3 minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 3x. That means what? 2 is equal to 6x. That means what? 6x is equal to 2. That means x is equal to 2 by 6. 2, 3. That means x is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Okay. So we will replace the removed mixture by this. When we replace x part of the mixture, we want to replace what fraction of quantity? What fraction of quantity of mixed milk must be replaced by water? So we have replaced the x fraction, x part of the mixture by water. So and the value of x is 1 by 3. So which answer do you think is correct? 3 by 4 part, certain obviously 1 by 3 part. So option number B is the correct option. Okay. Thank you.